Class, this is your chapter 2, motion. So what is motion? In this chapter our first topic is rest and motion. So first we are talking about rest. What is rest? Understand, class, before I start to explain rest, understand, for your rest and motion we compare. Understand that we compare two objects or bodies. We can say we compare. Comparison is very important for getting rest and motion. Understand? We can compare two objects, we can compare two bodies, we can compare one body or one object, you can say anything, with surrounding. Understand the meaning of surrounding? This surrounding gives you the another object. Understand? Another object. Understand? Actually your another object comes from surrounding. So you can take your surrounding in a large scale also, and you can take your surrounding in a very small scale also. If I am talking about, in this time I give you the example, if I am talking about lid, then in this time class it is surrounded by two pens. Understand? Two pens and me also. I am also the surrounding of this lid. Understand? So if I want to compare this lid with surrounding, then in surrounding this pen, this red pen, me, this mobile, all things can included. But sometimes we are very particular. At that time, if I am talking about this red pen and this blue pen, in this time I am only concentrating on these two objects. So sometimes you are comparing two objects, sometimes you compare your object with surroundings. So is it clear? So first you understand this, then you can understand rest and motion. Class, in this time you can see the definition of rest, which is when the position of a body with respect to its surroundings does not change with time, the body is said to be at rest. So you can see in this definition, when the position of a body with respect to its surrounding does not change with time, the body is said to be rest. What is the meaning of that? For that I can take two pens. So suppose this is your first pen, this is your second pen, and I am talking about this red pen. So what is in surrounding of this red pen? The book and a pen and me also. In this time this red pen is not change its position. This red pen is not change its position. Everything is in the same place. There is no change. In this time this red pen is not change with time. So it is in the same specific place. So that's why we call this red pen in rest position, because if we compare this red pen with the surrounding, then it does not move. So it means it is in rest. Okay class, now what is motion? You can see the definition of the motion: when the position of the body with respect to its surrounding change with time, the body is said to be motion. It's very important point here, it change with time, then we can say it is in motion. Suppose class, this is the time 6 p.m. and this pen is moving from here to here and it will reach here at 7 p.m. So what is the meaning of that? The meaning of that, class, this pen which is here at 6 p.m. it is here at 7 p.m. So if I compare this pen with the copy or this pen, if I compare this pen with its surrounding, then you can find it change its position with time. It means when the time will pass, it change its position also, it change its place also. So that is called motion.